There's a place where heaven meets earth, where faith defies gravity, and where the monks didn't just build monasteries, they built a bridge between the mortal and the divine. Today, we step into a world where the impossible becomes real, a land where monks didn't just seek isolation, they pursued the sky itself. On this episode, we just don't visit history, we ascend to it. This is not just a place, it's a testament to human will, carved into stone and suspended in time. Welcome to Meteora. Welcome to Meteora. This is one of the most iconic places I ever want to see in my life. All these monasteries were built on top of these huge stones, because I can't call them mountains. They are basically massive stones, and it's amazing to see them, especially now at the sunrise. Feel sorry for Monika, because we haven't slept.
We haven't slept in 9 hours. The road wasn't pleasant. It was very, very tiring. We drove for
check
almost...
our car. You see the tires? Yeah, it wasn't the best road.
Yeah, we drove for 9 hours and we started the trip 9 p.m. and now it's 7.
It's already almost, it's
almost
10
8.
to 8, 10 to 8. But guys, just to see this, wow, it's unreal. As you can see right there is one of the monasteries, and there is another one right there. Right now is -2 degrees. This, we're not smoking, is cold. Yeah, but my examen, I can't cover it with it. So we made it to the top. The view here is unreal. I don't know if this is a dream. I don't know if this is reality. I promise you, this for me is unbelievable. But here's a fun fact. Some fun facts about Meteora.
Did you know?
The name Meteora in Greek means suspended in the air. And that's the description for each of the monasteries that they have in the back.
By the way, they have 24 monasteries here, which I wasn't aware of, because we're used to seeing like only one picture on the internet and you like have this idea that it's only one monastery, but no, it's 24. And actually there is 6 that you can visit.
Yeah, so this is the second most visited places in mainland Greece. Over 2 million people, they come every year to visit this place, after obviously Acropolis in Athens, which is another must-see in Greece. Hopefully we can show you some footage later if we make it to to Athens. Besides that, there are more facts about the monasteries.
Which I forgot.
Okay, it's okay. So there are suspended over 300 meters or 100 feet on top of the mountains. You can, like Monika mentioned before, only 6 you can visit out of the 24.
But I saw one monastery right now and there is a bridge. Probably we cannot see it by the camera, but...
I think it's this one right here.
Yeah, it's behind us.
This one right here.
Yeah. So it is that one, and there is a bridge that you have to cross. That's scary. I don't think I would try to go there.
Well, if you see between those two, there is a bridge, suspended bridge as well.
Yep.
I don't know if you can appreciate it, but yeah. View is...
It's breathtaking.
Priceless, guys.
There is also a lot of viewing points where you can take pictures, videos. It's pretty nice.
Yeah, one of the viewpoints, there is another one right there, right here. Most of the people are going to that one over there. Let me show you right here. And I don't know if you can see the silhouettes of some people right there. Yeah, I think that guy can have an amazing shot from here.
We'll go there.
Yeah, I might take it and then charge him money. And this is another viewpoint. You can see Monika right there behaving like a Like a mountain goat. Yeah, she wants to go to the top. Stay there. I want to fly the drone. Yeah, view is unreal. Imagine what it's like to live here with this view every single day. Crazy. So we came for our coffee because we totally deserve it. And yeah, this is the entrance to Meteora. We just came here just to have a coffee, something to eat, since we haven't eaten since yesterday, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And,
and we're starving.
Indeed, we are starving.
I saw big.
So this is the entrance to one of the monasteries. Most of them are busy. We tried to go to the one on top, but unfortunately it was a massive line of cars and we couldn't find parking. And to walk is a very long distance. So on the way back, luckily one car was coming out and I just took advantage and parked the car there. Now, I don't know if you can see, guys, right there, that's the one right here, the one we wanted to go. We're coming to this one now. And yeah, I'm super excited.
I'm just looking at the monasteries that you could visit. It's only 6 of them. And it's a great Meteora, Varlaam, Rosono, Agios Stephanos, Holy Trinity, and Agios Nikolaos. Sorry for the pronunciation.
Yeah, those are names of monks.
Yeah, but actually only 6 of them you could visit. The rest, I have no idea why, but we're fine with 6.
Well, we're going to see. We're going to check out this one.
At least we came to check out once. It's a must do when you're here. I mean, that's the reason people come here to visit monasteries.
You can see how they made the road, like maybe in the middle of the rocks. It's amazing. Well, you can see right there. And yeah, we have to take all the steps. I guess it's a leg day for us today. High above the land, on top of a giant rock, stands Varlaam Monastery. From a distance, it almost looked like a castle floating in the sky, but this is just not a building. It is a place of faith, history, and incredible determination. To reach it, you must climb 195 stone steps, carefully carved into the side of the rock. Imagine how monks did this hundreds of years ago without any modern tools. Back then, they used rope, pulleys, and wooden ladders to bring supplies and even themselves up to the monastery. They believed that when the ropes broke, it was a sign from God that it was time to replace them.
3 times.
Out there.
So we made it inside of the monastery. You had to pay 3 euros per ticket.
And just in case you were wondering, there is a dress code. All women have to be wearing skirts. So, well, you can rent it. You don't have to pay for it. They will let you borrow it. And that's my outfit for today.
You see, if I was a Scottish, I'll wear them, but I'm not. As you step inside the courtyard, you feel like you've entered another world. The air smells of incense and old stone, and everything is quiet except for the gentle sound of the wind. The monastery is built with stone and wood, blending perfectly with the rock it stands on. Walking through the entrance, you find yourself inside the main church, built in 1542. It is small, peaceful, and covered in beautiful paintings. These Byzantine frescoes tell stories from the Bible. The walls are filled with saints, angels, and religious scenes, painted in deep reds, gold, and blue. Even after hundreds of years, the colors are still bright. Above, the dome of the church shows Christ's Pantocrator, a large image of Jesus looking down from the ceiling. This reminds visitors that they are in a place of worship and reflection. The scent of the beeswax candles fills the air, and their soft glows make the painting look even more magical. If you listen carefully, you might hear a quiet hymn sung by the monks who still live there today.
Tell us what is in there. Tell us what is in there.
It's the most beautiful monastery that you'll ever see. I promise. Like the walls, my ignorance, I thought they were wallpaper, but it's everything. It's painted and it's absolutely beautiful. Like, I'm speechless.
So there are people at the entrance checking out that you don't film or take pictures, but it's amazing. It's something out of this world. The entire ceiling and every single cupola is painted with those Orthodox designs, and it's really, really amazing.
Finally, you step out onto the balcony and the view is unbelievable. From here, you can see Meteora's rock formation stretching across the horizon. The other monasteries sit on their own cliffs, like islands on the skies. On misty days, the clouds roll through the valley, making it look like a dream. Standing here, you can't help but wonder, how did they build this? How did they live here for so long? But that's the magic of Varlaam. It is not just a monastery. It is a place of faith and determination overcame the impossible. As you live, walking down the same stone steps, you carry something with you, a feeling of peace, wonder, and respect for those who built this place so long ago. This is Varlaam Monastery, a miracle in the sky.
We're back at the entrance. Monika, how was your experience?
Oh, it was amazing. I haven't been to many monasteries, but this one, it's amazing. Like, it really impressed me. Actually, when we came to Meteora, as soon as we entered the city, we were speechless. Like, we just couldn't believe like the view. We were like almost in tears. I promise. It's such an underrated city, but I promise, guys, if you come here, you will not regret it. It's beautiful. It's breathtaking. I have no words. Definitely check out the monasteries inside. They're beautiful. They're a piece of art.
Yeah, indeed, they're masterpiece. Totally agree with Monika. So right at the entrance, you have all these magnets here. And it's right at the entrance of the monastery. So Monika and I, we bought a lot of stuff. We got 6 magnets. Monika have a little present and I have a keychain. And they give us one for free. And
the lady is so kind.
She's very nice. So
Okay.
when you come here, you look for them. Don't go and buy anywhere else, okay? Yeah, they give me one for free. Thank you so much.
Thank you, bye.
Meteora is more than just a breathtaking landscape. It's proof that faith can move mountains, or in this case, rise above them. These monasteries have stood against time, wars, and the relentless pull of gravity, reminding us that human determination, when fueled by belief, can truly reach the heavens. But this is not the end of the story. It's just another chapter, because history is meant to be experienced, not just remembered. If you like this episode, please make sure that you like it and share with your friends. If you have any comments, please share your comments here and below and let us know what do you think about Meteora. This is it for today, and ciao for now.